जमाने मुस्तफा देखूं मुद्दतों से है जमाने मुस्तफा देखूं मामुल अंबिया देखूं हबीबे दुनिया देखूं जिनके दम कदम से रोशनी पाई जिनके दम कदम से रोशनी पाई Now I would like to call my friend Zakariya Aamir to say a few words of Worldwide Life Day. My name is Zakariya Aamir. I would like to say a few words about Worldwide Life Day. During these difficult times, we need more than ever to find ways to connect with each other and inspire hope for the future. On 3rd March 2021, Worldwide Life Day is celebrated with a theme based on forest-based livelihoods and to promote the forest and forest wildlife. Thank you.